Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Wi-Fi calling drains the battery issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down and open Control Center, and here turn on and off airplane mode. Now after that, go back to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.